This is SharkBite straight stop quarter turn, and one side is 1/2 inch and one side is 1/4 inch. It is very useful. One side you can put a regular 1/2 inch, another side you can put a 1/4 inch tube, and then you have a stop. And then in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect it and how to disconnect it. Let's get started. It is actually really good. It comes with the disconnector. You see, this is the disconnector. When we remove them, we're going to need this. So put this away. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one, to remove the outside, using this way, and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper, 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. If you need to cut the pegs, just using the tube cutting tool like this, make sure it's square and make a cut. And then after you cut, we need to make a mark. I just put a chart on the screen, and for 1/4 inch, the length is 0.82, about right here of an inch. So let's check inside. For 1/2 inch, there is a stiffening collar. If you're using pegs, you must using these stiffening collars. In the 1/4 inch side, you don't actually need it because the tube is very strong. Let's install the 1/2 inch side first. You can install copper or pegs. In this case, I'm gonna use copper, for example. You see the teeth, like a metal ring. It is actually the grab ring. It grab the tube. You see those marks, and about here on both sides, there is O-ring. So O-rings actually seal the tube. So that's why we need to make a mark. The mark, make sure that you push all the way in like this, so the O-ring will seal the tube. Once you get ready, just put the inner collar inside like this. Make sure it's lined up and the mark facing you, and then just push. Keep pushing. Okay, once the mark reach here, you know that you push to the end right here, so you get a good seal. So let's do the other side. Other side, there's no inner collar, so we just push the 1/4 inch pegs inside. The same thing. So push in. We got the mark facing us, so push. So keep pushing. I cannot push it any further. Probably my mark is a little bit off. Sometimes you made a mistake or you change your mind, you want to remove it. For SharkBite, it's very easy. Usually you just use this disconnect tool, but for this fitting, it comes with 2 disconnectors. It's very handy. So the way to do it is you're using this side and put it on the tube like this. So basically just push the collar inside, push into the fitting, and then at the same time grab the tube. Let's do this. So you need to push really hard like this. And for the copper, we can use this or use disconnect too. So when you get ready, just push really hard and then put this one out. Every time you remove the tube, you must check inside if anything damaged. If it was damaged, you cannot use it anymore. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.